Be honest, how long does editing actually take you? 1 hour? 3 hours? Sometimes more than filming itself, right? Now imagine this, you upload a raw video, and AI does everything, captions, cuts, zooms, audio fix automatically. Sounds crazy, right? Then let's test it. In this video, you will learn full Captions AI demo, real before versus after, pros and hidden problems, and if it is actually worth it. No hype, just real results. Before we dive in, if you want more breakdowns like this every week, hit subscribe. Captions AI is an AI video editing tool. It doesn't just add captions. It edits your entire video automatically. You bring the footage. It handles the boring part, the captions, the cuts, the audio cleanup, and even the translation. Before I show you how it works, look at this.
Moving to this framework allows us to collaborate effectively regardless of our physical location. If we look at the core of the plan, it really comes down to these two specific areas. Strategy must prioritize digital engagement and flexible work solutions. As we adapt to the new normal, this plan ensures minimal disruption while prioritizing safety and maximizing efficiency across all departments.
That video came from this raw clip.
Moving to this framework allows us to collaborate effectively regardless of our physical location. If we look at the core of the plan, it really comes down to these two specific areas. Our strategy must prioritize digital engagement and flexible work solutions. As we adapt to the new normal, this plan ensures minimal disruption while prioritizing safety and maximizing efficiency across all departments.
Here's something most creators ignore. 80% plus people watch videos without sound. No captions equals no attention. No attention equals no growth. Captions are not optional. They are a strategy. Go to Captions.ai. In the mobile app, click New Project. In the browser, you can sign up via Google. Upload your video. If you are using it in a browser, you have to choose the style before creating. And that's it. AI automatically generates captions in seconds on mobile. In the browser, it creates a fully edited video according to the style you have chosen. Accuracy, pretty high, but always double check. Reality check, because this tool is primarily mobile first. The desktop experience is noticeably less polished than the mobile app. In a mobile app, there are 100 plus options of caption style with different fonts, styles, and animations. Choose one. On a desktop, you find ready-made video templates for your video. This is what makes your video look professional. AI Edit is the big feature. You can get on the desktop. It automatically cuts, silence, adds zoom, improves pacing. In the mobile app, you get one crazy feature, that is eye contact. AI fixes your eye contact. Here is how it looks.
We are appointing a new independent privacy board with authority over all data policy.
Now audio. In the mobile app, you get the DeNoise option. Turn on the DeNoise if you want to remove background noise from the video. Here is the difference.
Reporting live from the heart of the city where events are unfolding rapidly. We'll bring you updates as they happen. Reporting live from the heart of the city where events are unfolding rapidly. We'll bring you updates as they happen.
If you have already subscribed to the tool, click Export and download your video. Now let's compare. Same video, different result.
Moving to this framework allows us to collaborate effectively regardless of our physical location. If we look at the core of the plan, it really comes down to these two specific areas. Our strategy must prioritize digital engagement and flexible work solutions. As we adapt to the new normal, this plan ensures minimal disruption while prioritizing safety and maximizing efficiency across all departments.
This tool is perfect for YouTubers for shorts and short-form creators for reels, freelancers for managing video output for clients, educators and course creators for auto transcription and caption accuracy. But this is not for cinematic editors' complex projects. Top features of this tool: auto captions in 100 plus languages, AI editing, dubbing plus lip sync, AI eye contact, noise removal, teleprompter, AI avatars, and AI twins. Caption accuracy is best in class for English, 93 to 99%. 100 plus animated caption styles, genuinely varied and polished. AI edit saves significant editing time, strong starting draft. Eye contact and DeNoise features are surprisingly effective. AI dubbing with lip sync is a standout rare capability. Pre-Plan offers no watermark exports for basic editing. Mobile-first UX is clean, fast, and intuitive on iOS. Teleprompter integration makes recording and editing seamless. AI twins and avatars open up faceless content options. The credit system is opaque, easy to burn credits accidentally. Desktop/Android experience lags behind iOS significantly. Occasional audio sync drift on longer videos. Advanced features twins avatar consume credits fast. No direct social media publishing integrations. Customer support has inconsistent response times, not suited for complex multi-camera productions. Learning curve for AI edit settings and credit management. If you create content regularly, this tool is worth trying. If this video saved you some research time, a like goes a long way. Subscribe if you want the next tool breakdown the moment it drops. And comment, would you trust AI to edit your videos?